Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Python 3, 8 or newer, and a reachable MySQL server. Once done, install a connector package with pip. I recommend mysql-connector-python for clarity. Next, gather credentials, host, port, user, password, database, because you will need them immediately. Make sure to create a dedicated database user with minimal privileges and keep a local test database ready. This makes debugging safer and explains why you avoid using root for routine scripts. Now you open the connection in code. Import the connector, call connector. Connect host, user, password, database, port equals 3306 and assign it to con. Once connected, create a cursor via con. Cursor, this object runs SQL. Execute parameterized queries to avoid injection, for example, cursor. Execute, insert into table, call values %s, value. After data changes, call con. Commit to persist. Finally, explain why. Explicit commits reduce finish by ensuring clean teardown. Close cursor and connection, or use with statement context managers to auto-close them. Once done, test a simple select to verify read access, then run an insert/update in a test schema. If errors appear, make sure to check network reachability, credentials, and connector package versions. Mismatched client and server versions often cause subtle issues. A key troubleshooting tip: enable verbose connector logging and inspect the MySQL server error log to pinpoint authentication, timeout, or permission problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.